As soon as I was out in the field actually collecting information about plants and looking at the characteristics of plants, inspecting the bottom of lupin leaves, looking for butterfly larvae, I really fell in love with thinking about plants and the importance of plant diversity. We know that the gardens that have a higher diversity of plants tend to have a higher diversity of insects. And I think that's really what we can hope for urban landscaping. Another thing that we found in our research is that having higher diversity of people leads to a higher diversity of plants. People bring with them really important food cultures and backgrounds and interests in growing different things. It's really inspirational to me to see the human diversity that leads to the plant diversity and the ecological benefits all around.